Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to style data in QGIS. Here I will choose one vector layer shapefile. So for that we have to go to the option layer, here add layer and add vector layer. Now I will browse in my system and choose the shapefile and open it. Now I will add in my project. So here is my shapefile. Now I will right click on this shapefile and go to the properties option. Here in the symbology, I can choose any of these options like single symbol, categorize or graduated. In the categorize and the graduated one, you can classify your attribute table, which is your data of your shapefile, and show it in colors according to your columns. Now in the label option, I can label my shapefile according to my data. So I will choose a single label. Here in the value option, I can choose any of the column which I wanted to show in my shapefile, and I can apply it. Here I will choose the index one and apply it. So I have to choose the single symbol and OK. Here you can see that it is showing the label which I have been added and the color, which is the single symbol color. Thank you.